Hi everyone, I'm Nasuha Damia, and today we will be sharing a quick story about Kodak, a legendary name in photography. So basically, Kodak was founded in 1888 by George Eastman with the slogan "You press the button, we do the rest." So they made photography easy and became a leader in cameras and film. Kodak invented the first digital camera in 1975, but they didn't fully use the technology because they wanted to protect the film sales. As digital photography grew, Kodak fell behind and filed for bankruptcy in 2012. So, after bankruptcy, Kodak changed the direction. Now they focus on commercial printing, digital imaging, and specialty materials. So the key lesson of this story is Kodak story teach us to don't ignore change even if it's risky, and adaptability is the key to survival. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hanisa. Now let's begin with potential ways technology enhance Kodak operation. Firstly, technology can optimize marketing strategies. In today's digital era, marketing needs to be personalized and data-driven. If Kodak had leveraged AI and big data, it could have analyzed customer behavior, preferences, and trends more effectively. For example, they could have grouped customers by location or live event and send automatic photo print reminders after birthday or holiday. Other example is personalized promotion, like customized printing deals for families. These two examples could have improved engagement significantly. Although Kodak did launch the Kodak Moment apps in 2015, it actually lacks AI features that drive emotional connection. If this smart suggestion or memory-based prompt had been included, the apps could have built a stronger bond with users. This shows that Kodak didn't fail because of bad product, but because they didn't evolve their marketing to match modern digital behavior. The second point is efficient and cost-effective manufacturing. Kodak's traditional manufacturing relied heavily on manual labor and chemical processing. As film demand declined in the 2000s, this model became too expensive and rigid. If company had introduced robotics and automation, they could have cut costs, increased efficiency, and adapted faster to market changes. Plus, robotics also help reduce errors and improve product quality. AI could have completely transformed Kodak's product development process by analyzing market trends and simulating design. Kodak actually could have identified features that users really wanted before competitors did. Let's take their Easy Share system for example. It was launched in the early 2000s and allowed photo sharing and printing. It was innovative at that time, but lacked features like cloud storage, face recognition, and auto enhancement. Today, platforms like Apple Photo and Google Photo offer this intelligent feature as standard. If Kodak had integrated AI, they could have stayed ahead of the curve. By developing smarter and more intuitive imaging tools, Kodak could have built a powerful digital ecosystem instead of being left behind by more tech-savvy companies. Finally, let's talk about risk management. AI isn't just useful for marketing and manufacturing, it also can strengthen corporate governance. In 2020, Kodak faced a serious controversy just before a 765 million loan from US government was publicly announced. Kodak stock price surged and top executives were awarded and sold shares. This raised major insider trading concern and led to investigation. At that time, if Kodak had used AI-driven compliance tool, they could have monitored internal activity in real time. This situation shows us that technology isn't only about growth, it's also about building trust and accountability. AI can help companies act responsibly and protect themselves from serious legal and ethical issues. In conclusion, Kodak had the tools available to stay competitive, but failed to apply them in time. So, by embracing AI, big data, and automation, they could have transformed their marketing, operation, innovation, and governance. These technologies are not just optional, but they are essential for any business that wants to grow and survive in the digital age.
Next, I will be explaining the Six Eyes model by McDonald and Wilson. This model helps us understand how digital marketing should be done, especially for companies like Kodak that want to grow online. Each eye shows a way to connect with customers better and compete in digital world. First, interactivity. Kodak can connect with people on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. If users upload their photos and share their stories, it makes the brand feels alive. Polls and quiz also make people engage more. Second, intelligence. With tools like Google Analytics, Kodak can see what people like and don't like. For example, if users visit a page but don't buy, Kodak knows something needs fixing. Next, individualization. Imagine Kodak say, "Hi John, welcome back," and recommending the film you love. This makes customers feel special and keep them coming back. Okay. Integration. All of Kodak's online and offline stuff should look and feel the same, whether it's Instagram or Insta posters. Customer should always get the same message. The next I is industry structure. Kodak doesn't need to rely on the shop anymore. It can sell straight from its website or through influencers. This cut costs and help reach more people. And last, independence of location. Kodak can sell to anyone, anywhere, and anytime without opening stores. Even small customer groups in far places can be reached through the internet. To conclude, Kodak has a strong brand and history, but it needs a fully embraced digital. The Six Eyes model gives a clear guide from engaging with customer, using data, giving a personal touch, keeping everything connected, reaching people directly, and selling anywhere. If Kodak follow this, it has a great chance to grow again in today's digital world. That's all from me. Thank you. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi everyone, my name is Lakshmanan. My matrix number is 822 Now I like to present the challenges and risks that we have found. There are four types of risk. The first one is challenges in protect privacy information. This is because data privacy and security for Kodak is must uphold strict data protection standards when handling consumers' personal and behavioral information to avoid legal, financial, and reputational risks. It then followed by its regulatory compliance. This is because compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA is crucial, as violations can result in legal actions and loss of customer trust. The second risk that we have found is integration with previous infrastructure. This is because the legacy system challenges. Kodak's older IT infrastructure may struggle to integrate with modern AI, big data, and robotics tools, risking system issues and inaccurate data analysis. Then also it's follows by the costly upgrades. This is because modernizing these systems is often expensive and time consuming, poisoning a significant challenge for Kodak's digital transformation. The third risk that we have found from Kodak's is high implementation costs. This is because Kodak must invest heavily in software, skilled talent, hardware, and training to adopt big data, AI, and robotics technologies. Then followed by return on investment uncertainty. There's no guarantee these investments will deliver expected returns, risking financial strain and limiting resources for other business priorities. Then the last risk from Kodak's is moral and prejudice concerns in AI. Data bias risk. Bias training data can lead AI to produce unfair or discriminatory marketing outcomes, potentially triggering public backlash and legal issues. Then followed by ethical concerns. This is because overall, intrusive AI-driven personalization can invade consumer privacy and damage customer trust for Kodaks. So these are the risks that I have found from Kodak's. Thank you.
Hi everyone, now let me introduce our social innovation idea for Kodak, called Kodak Memories for Life KMFL. This initiative revives Kodak's legacy by using modern technology to empower undeserved communities through storytelling, photography, and entrepreneurship. Basically, KMFL is a mobile-based social enterprise that helps rural and low-income individuals capture, preserve, and share their personal and cultural stories using photos and videos. It promotes digital literacy, cultural preservation, and economic empowerment. This platform includes a user-friendly app with AI-enhanced tools like photo editing, voice-to-text, automatic subtitles, and smart tagging. These features make KMFL accessible even for those with limited digital experience. To support access, Kodak will provide community storytelling kits with affordable device solar chargers and training guides, which is a local workshop in partnership with NGOs and schools. This workshop will teach photography and digital skills, especially empowering you to share their voice confidently. As we can see, Kodak Memories for Life is more than a storytelling platform. It's actually a tool for a social change. By offering a marketplace for selling prints and community stories, it creates micro-entrepreneurship opportunities, especially in areas with limited jobs. This opportunity also can promote tourism and generate income for users. By that, KMFL will be impactful apps and bring a lot of benefit like enhanced digital literacy, empower youth, and also preserve cultural heritage. Most importantly, it helped revive Kodak's legacy not just by capturing memories, but by creating meaningful opportunities for people to grow, earn, and share their voice.